Hello everybody and welcome to SKIDMARK. Now, unfortunately, Dan doesn't know how to actually record for YouTube, but nevertheless, we have tried to get a video out on time. So the first half of the video is in portrait mode. Please try and oversee this and watch to the end because we do some crazy shenanigans with Pete. Thank you.
Been eaten by a car. Look alright?
Well, that don't look right to me, but...
Hey?
Why your clutch? You have like a cylinder thing that pushes your clutch pedal because it's hydraulic. Well, I've wedged a bit of plastic in there.
Oh. What do you think that's for?
Hasn't been serviced in a long time.
Well, I have all the paperwork for it.
Well, this hasn't been serviced for ages. I can tell that because the thing's going rusty. Oil filter.
Oh, okay.
And if it goes any more rusty, it'll probably end up getting a hole in it.
Leaking. Is it rotten?
Huh?
Is it rotten?
I won't say it's rotten, no.
It's a big stick.
No, that one's alright.
Yeah?
Just look rusty.
Well, yeah, it's been sat aside of a road, hasn't it?
The exhaust pipe's got an hole in it.
The tiniest of holes, that.
It'll make it sound.
Maybe you just need to put, have you got an exhaust gunk or something? Shove something in there, that'll do it.
I'll just put a bit of weld on it. That'll be fine.
Exhaust gunk, I'll do that. Well, it's only done 43,000, it's going to be clean, isn't it? What?
You've just got a dangler.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's just a spare.
It goes
It's a hose or something.
It's not. Is it?
Is it the overflow for something?
It's an earth.
Oh, an earth.
It's an earth, so
Oh wow.
find where it came from.
Oh, they're old in.
Fucking hell, that's a steep. You ain't got much of a...
Yeah, but don't forget, if you reverse it a bit, you've got more of a...
No, I mean, you don't get much of a tyre on there, do you?
Well,
We'll try them. We'll have a try.
well, why not? That's Paul's high miler. 250,000 on the clock. His caddy. Look what he's done to the badge. How cool is that? We're going to have to get some done like Pete like that, I think. So I'm going to stand back and guide it. Look at this. This is sketchy, isn't it, man? This is some sketchy stuff. Go on, that's it. Give it some. Go on, that's it. That's it. Go on. Whoop. Easy. Woohoo. Go on. Have a bit of that. Oh no, come here, mate. What? I've got a present for you. What? Well, that's to fix the radiator.
Right.
Fix the radiator. Right. I got you something else. Have you had this on?
No.
Is it still warm from when I had it?
Yeah.
Oh. And then, look at that. That'll make him look like he's got a big, massive exhaust when he hasn't. I still got water in it, so why is it flashing at me?
It always flashes at you.
Well, engine lights come back on, but it can't have done because...
Maybe it got too full. Don't do that, then you're still up.
Oh no, it's not that hot. It's alright now. Just need to...
If
It won't come off. I need that to put that in the radiator. Where's the...
I'll come there in gifts.
I got that.
This big massive thing.
Yeah, we're going to put it on there.
And
You just
I
need
don't
to
really have a
unscrew
screw.
that.
I don't really have a screwdriver, so I'm just going to have to make a bit do with it.
What do you mean you have a flat head?
I'm not fired.
Oh, you'd be right with that. I need to get this off here. It won't come off.
I've got a flathead.
Let's try that.
Is it
Keep tight. Do not open hot.
Give it a bit of a twist.
I am doing. It just won't come off.
Warm.
What?
Maybe it's because it's still warm.
Oh, we'll have to leave that bit for now, but
We'll do this bit first.
go on then. Master mechanic. I'm master. What we have to do is before it gets really dark, because it's getting dark now.
Well, that one's got quite good lighting. It's just that one.
Oh, that was rubbish, isn't it?
Clip.
What? Yep.
This is gonna hurt my fingers now. Haha!
Don't lose the clips, because you just pull them like that and they come off.
Yeah, no, but I don't want a bit of finger because that one's quite dark.
Oh, you are such a wuss.
Right, and then.
Right, twist it. Hold on. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, well, we take that one away. We don't need that bit. And then.
That big massive. Look, we're gonna have a hole in our engine.
Yeah, it's gonna have all this room.
To breathe.
Oh, what's that?
Oh,
And
that's a
then
bit
what we
lovely.
can do is stick that in there.
No, don't do that. That's a bad idea.
Well, why is that a bad idea? Because we've got pipes coming in from all directions.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's that awkward type.
What do you mean it's an awkward type?
It's got that hole. You need like.
You've got a sponge there, look. Oh.
Yeah, you got a sponge.
I'm going to put it the other way around. There you go.
Have we got any cleaning fluids?
That's fine now, that's a bit cleaner. And then we need to put that onto
too big.
there. It's not too big. No, it's not.
It's not actually. I've got another, hang on, I've got another new one, if we want a new one.
Okay. That's going to have to come off all the way anyway, because that's not going to fit around there.
Oh wait, no it's not. It's not going to work.
That's not going to fit around there.
Because it's got a hole. I've got bits. Is it too big or too small?
It's too big.
Yeah, we've got a smaller one.
Oh, you got that bit? No.
Bits.
Alright. Pause it. What the hell's inside there?
That's normal. That's what it came like.
Okay.
I think that's
I'll
just
let you off. Yeah.
That's what the glue is.
And that'll sit in there like that, and then that'll look really cool.
And it'll make more turbo sounds. Oh, it's not turbo, is it?
See through it, so.
It's not a turbo.
It hasn't got a turbo on this.
Oh, it's not going to make turbo sounds.
It makes that. Yeah. Like birds mating.
Have I done this?
You plonker, Rodney.
I've just been sat next to my lampshade for quite a while.
Well, Paul mentioned it earlier about tools.
No.
Yeah, because that slots in there.
It doesn't. It comes off.
It doesn't.
It does. I'll tell you now it comes off. Voila.
Oh, go on then.
Right, small bit.
Small bit in there, that's it.
Yeah, and big bit.
Oh yeah, that's right. I went to Halfords. Never go to Halfords unattended. Did you bring your toolbox?
No, just this.
Oh, you plonker.
I've got
We
no
can't
tools
put
in my
this
tool.
on.
I've got no tools in my
We
toolbox.
can't put this on to
I've lost
tighten it
them.
up then, can we?
I've lost all my tools.
Because you have to use your... Have you got the ratchets?
No, I've lost them.
Where have you put them?
I don't know.
Well, we can't put this on.
Sorry.
Why did you put this on? It's shiny.
Well, I didn't realise you were getting one of them.
Well, I know, but I thought you had your toolbox. Your big toolbox that you normally have.
I do normally have it, but ever since I built my racing rig, I've lost it all.
Well, where did you lose it? Where did you have it last? It's not in your car?
No, I had it in my bedroom.
Well, how are we meant to do these things if you don't have tools? Don't me to do that.
Just guess, innit? Oh, it is on.
It's not tight.
It is.
Is it?
It's tighter than a. That's no. That's.
I'm just making sure you've got it.
I know which way to do it.
Would help if screwdriver fit right?
It does fit.
Just. Has to be tight so it doesn't move.
I like to move it, move it.
Right, that's that, and then that goes on there.
I got my flathead.
Held that.
You're in
Just a
the
minute.
camera.
Oh.
Other one.
Oh yeah.
Get it on then.
I'm trying.
No, turn it landscape that way.
There you go.
Hi, you can see me now.
Sorry. Right, now that should do. You don't need to.
What? It's too big.
It's not too big. It just needs a bit of persuasion to go in. If it's tight, then it's not going to move much, is it?
I think you should do this, to be honest.
Yeah, watch out.
It's too big.
That in.
We should have put that bit on first. Because it was moving when we tried to put it on first.
Right, that bit goes in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to manipulate it with the screwdriver. Somehow. Like this.
Screwdriver manipulation.
Well, I would if this wasn't on. Nearly with it. It's like wrestling a snake, this. Where's the screwdriver? Oh, I can use this one.
Look, this does things. Constructioneering project.
Yep. Just a bit more squeezy in there. Oh, I had it then.
Do you want me to pull?
No. Hold that a minute. Got this.
Wee. You pick some blood. Like a glove.
Like that?
Yeah.
Why didn't we do that to start with?
Because we're not as genius as me. There you go, Lou. It's tighten up now.
Is the bonnet going to shut, by the way?
No, it's on the latch.
No! Oh my god. Is the bonnet going to shut? With this here?
Well, if we move all the phones and the camera and the filter and these things, maybe. I told you we should take that box out.
The flathead, because it's a lot easier to use than this one.
Sorry. I thought it was easy.
You need to find your toolbox.
I need to find my tools for my toolbox. I found my toolbox, I need to find my tools for my toolbox.
How come you've emptied your full toolbox?
Because I didn't know what tool to use. So I just emptied all my tools.
Come off. Pull that a little bit. See that?
No.
Yeah, that should stay there. Right, start it up.
Are you ready?
Go on.
That's not one. That sounds a lot better.
Is the engine light still on?
I didn't look.
Oh my god. Help. Please, someone.
I'm sorry. I didn't look.
Well, I thought...
I thought eat that.
I need to get that off.
Turn into an alien here.
I need to... Oh yeah, put that in the box down there with that stuff.
It stinks of oil.
What do you mean it thinks it's coolant, that?
Where's it going from?
At the bottom of the radiator. At the bottom of the radiator is slight... Must have a... Because it's been stood a while.
This is dead.
Can't get the bloody radiator. Stop off! Oh wow.
Oh, does it have that thing? Oh, it stings. Let's give that a sniff.
Oh wow. That's really smelly and brown.
Can you do the thing?
What, you
Where's
want?
the sump?
I don't know where it is, but that's really brown.
It's brown and stinks.
Oh my.
Is there any
God.
silvery bits?
It's warm. Oh, it looks like somebody's just done diarrhea in there. And it's like a bad curry.
Where's the sump? There must be a
It's a
sump.
very wet bad curry.
Oh, it stinks.
You have some.
Oh!
Do you like that? Down there.
You're gonna get
So I can get that in.
It stinks. Hey, hang on, we need to blow it out. I'm sorry, but we do.
You can't blow it out. That has been refilled. We refilled that. That's just what's in there.
Well, we need to unrefill it.
Get your torch. I can't see, man.
I'm trying to find.
I'm trying to get this sorted. So we
It
can put this in
stinks.
here. I'm going to shove this down.
No, don't do that there. No.
Oh, I need to read the instructions first.
Put them in.
Alright.
This camera hasn't missed.
Links in radiator cooling system.
Don't put it in if the engine stinks.
Improved corrosion and rust protection. That's what this does.
Yeah, but what about the rust?
Compatible with all antifreeze and coolants. Also with oat coolants. Organic ones for you Edens out there. Yeah.
Oh, in a heater. Do you need your engine on while you're doing it?
Will that come out?
No.
Shake bottle well, all kinds of cooling system via the expansion tank. Shake bottle well, add the contents to the cooling system via the expansion tank. If part of the... I've just taken this off! 2 hoses out and return directly into radiator if single hose overflow system. Oh, I couldn't tell you on that. I put it on there.
Single hose.
That's single hose there, look, because it comes round here. Round, it's like spaghetti bloody junction. Round here, oh, that's really wet, obviously, isn't it? Round there, and it comes, it's here.
Oh, it stinks.
So that goes into here directly. So should we put it in there?
We need to...
Dad, it's a single hose.
I'm not being funny. But
we can't, this will clean it. This will sort it. So do we put it in straight into there then?
No, because it won't go through.
Oh.
Because it will take a while for it to
We'll
go.
do a bit of both.
Right,
do I need to use all of it?
Can we...
Hold on.
Contents, treat a cooling system from 5 to 12 litres. Run engine for approximately 5 minutes to circulate and stop leaks. If the curtain is dirty, flush system. Told you.
Well, we can't flush the system.
What you have to do is take a hose off and put it back on again.
Which hose are we taking?
The one at the bottom.
And how are we going to get to that hose down there?
We have to. Look at it.
I'm just trying to think. And the only single hose is the one at the bottom?
I reckon.
If we run it, it leaks. So that'll run the system.
They put all in. Yeah, it's too high already. Right. Right. Leave it running for 5 minutes.
That'll look sick, won't it?
Sick, bruv.
Isn't it?
Does it add more tone?
Hey?
Oh no. Oh, what's that? Oh, look at all that disgusting goop in there.
Yeah, it's a hole in the exhaust. It's going to weld it up.
Yeah?
That way or other way?
That way works.
That way works?
Yeah.
Yes. He's our lucky mascot. He's the duck with a fag in his mouth. We don't, obviously, smoking's bad for you, even for ducks, so I wouldn't do it. Do I face the driver or face the middle like that?
Face the middle.
That's a good sign.
You didn't even check the temperature before when I took it was off. The temperature wasn't a thing. Goes into the exhaust. It pops. It pops. Goes into the exhaust. You ready?
Did it? As a grumble.
That sounded like it popped.
I think we're done there. He's dead. He's down there. he just killed himself.
Right, how did it fall down there when it was in the
I
middle?
don't know how he's done it. I really don't know how he's done it.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. It's dead easy peasy lemon squeezy, as people like to say. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.